friends. I am Dr. Amin Shah. I am an orthopedic surgeon from Sapna Healthcare Center. I practice joint replacement surgery in my hospital, which is situated in Ghatkopar. Today I would like to discuss a very common and a very disabling problem, what is called as osteoarthritis of the knee. Practically we see many patients who are having severe pain and limping due to osteoarthritis of the knee. Today I would like to discuss this problem with you people regarding how this can be managed. 80% of this problem we manage here in our hospital by physiotherapy and also by calcium supplements and other medications. However, in later stages, in delayed stages, when it is an advanced case, the only option left to us is surgery. So, I would like to show a gentleman who had come to us, a 67-year-old gentleman who had come to us with severe pain in the knee joint. As you can see, he has got a deformity of both the legs. There is a bowing or curvature of the legs, and while walking there is instability of the knee joint of both the legs, and the patient feels as if he will fall if he tries to walk fast. This is a classical case of chronic osteoarthritis of the knee, or what we call as a wear and tear of the knee joint. Here you can see these are the x-rays which were done prior to the surgery. The x-rays clearly show that the inner lining of the knee joint is totally destroyed and the bones are rubbing against each other, leading to the friction of the knee joint and what we call as an chronic osteoarthritis of the knee joint. The gentleman was suffering since more than a year. We had to take him up for surgery. As you can see, both his legs, how crooked they were, and that was causing a mechanical disability during walking and climbing stairs, due to which the patient's social life was affected and he had a fear of going anywhere outside. Now I can show you how the patient, the knee joint of the patients were lax. As you can see, when I am moving the knee joint, they are easily swaying from one side to other, and this is the problem caused due to degenerative changes in the knee joint, and secondary to that the ligaments have become loose, and that is why there is a gross instability in the knee during walking and the patient has a tendency to fall. Both the knee joints are affected in this case, and hence the patient was practically bedridden and with a very difficult gait he refused to come out of the house. Knee joints were operated in our hospital, and you can see the post-op knee joint x-ray which is clearly showing a metallic implant which has been put in both the knee joints, and this is total knee replacement which has been done for that patient. And after the surgery the patient has a pain-free gait, there is no disability, there is no ligament laxity, he has a much stable gait and he is able to climb stairs, he is able to walk very freely compared to what he was. So he has got a freedom from his knee pain and arthritis after so many years. Friends, the main motto of showing this video was, first of all, don't wait till this last stage comes. Please do come to your orthopedic surgeon as early as possible and start with exercises and calcium therapies. In case if by chance the disease progresses and you have disabling pain, please do not lose heart and please do not just sit in your home doing nothing, unfortunately leading to a loss of social life. Knee replacement is a boon for such patients, and this surgery can restore the social life of the patient, a pain-free life and a very stable knee joint. So friends, I wish you all the success, and if there are any queries, you are free to contact me on the number which I shall be giving. Thank you. So friends, do not wait till the last stage. Please come early to your orthopedic surgeon. In case if you have any doubts or any queries, you are free to contact me to the description which has been given along with this video. Thank you very much.